All right, you letting him get the scent?
So this is my catch for the day. It's a little tree rat. So I'm gonna make me a fried rat nuggets.
All right, now what we're gonna do? Train him a little bit more.
Yeah.
Let him go after it. Well, go look for it.
I'm throwing it in the corner and I hope I don't lose it.
All right, go put it where you know that you'll remember it's gonna be. You wait right there, River. 2 different places though, Bubs. Yes, you ready. You smell it?
Smell my pants too. Come on.
Go get it.
Find it. He already passed it, I guess if you see it.
Go get it.
Go find it. Find it. Get it. Good boy.
Good job.
Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it.
He's like, I found it. That's good enough. Good job. He's trying to, no, I think he's trying to eat it now. Yeah, let's like, let's cook it first, boy.
Now he wants to take it. Take it. Bring it. Come on. Bring it.
Come on, boy. Come on.
Come on. Good boy. Oh, get it. Get it.
Come on.
Bring it. Come on. Good boy. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on. Come on.
Now he ran away with it. Good job.
Alrighty guys, I'll catch you later. And meanwhile, I'll be skinning it like a deer.